Sit down beside me and stay a while. Let our hearts do their parts. With wine and words to meet the hours.
I just gua sha'd and then I use the CE Ferulic on my face in the morning. It looks interesting, but this stuff's really good. And then I love to gua sha, and I use my CE Glow by the Sunday Riley to do all that, like the gua sha and stuff. Makes your face feel like so good and like glowy, and it just like makes your I feel like I've seen like a difference, like kind of, I don't know.
Sit down beside me and stay a while.
This does not correlate. But yeah, so basically Shelby and I grew up on the internet together and to meet at that time. And it was, we met at the
No, I don't think we do actually. I want pepper. What's that? I haven't picked up the camera in a couple days, but my mom just went grocery shopping. It's Sunday. We are cooking a sauce. Well, she is. Where are they? We got groceries, and then we just went to church and went to like a little food place. It was like a vegetable and fruit store. I'm gonna cut this bread. I'm like setting up some stuff because I have school tomorrow for the first time. I wanted to show you guys this drink that I just opened. So it's called Glow Blend, and it has collagen peptides, hyaluronic acid, focus, and a lot of these things in here are really good for your skin and your hair. It says it has no caffeine, and it is supposed to drink to feel as good as you look. So it's supposed to be for like beauty, which like your skin, hair, which I love because I don't like drinking things that make me want to like break out. And then just set this up a little bit. My mom made a salad, and I think she's making chicken right now. So that is what I've been doing. Set is from Revolve. It's a pajama set. I don't know if I showed you guys. It's so soft. Good morning, guys. I don't know the last time I vlogged. It is Monday morning, super early. It is like 7 o'clock. I'm going to the gym. Didn't I'm not like really feeling like working out, but I'm gonna make myself anyways, so take this as a sign for you to go work out. Last night I really quickly Good morning, guys. I just got back from a workout. I went to Cycle Bar. I actually wanted to go to Solid Core because I've been going to a Pilates and I've been doing it in Boston, but they actually have one in West Hartford, so I decided to go because that's not too far from my house. And when I got there, I guess I signed up for the wrong class, so sorry, my screen's like a little dirty, but so when I got there, they were like, oh yeah, I'm sorry, like let's book you for this week. So I was just gonna leave, and then I saw that there's Cycle Bar, which is right across, and they're two different workouts. Like Cycle Bar is literally cycling, and then Solid Core is on a Pilates reformer, and you get two different, completely different like workouts. But I kind of just like was there, and I wanted to get a workout in because I was already there. So I was like, I guess I'll just try Cycle Bar and see how it is. I've done it once before and I liked it, but when I work out, I don't like to focus on cardio as much. My arm hurts, but it was so good, and the owners there are so sweet, and the woman was just like so nice. She was like, yeah, just come on in. And I did a 9:30 class, and oh my gosh, I mean, I left so beat. Like my face is like still red from it. I literally was like literally dripping sweat. Like I was soaking wet, but it was so good. Like it was so motivating, and yeah, I did pretty well. Like you can see the chart of how you do, and I was like top 3. Like I kept like going there, and it's cool because it pushes you when you see your name. You know, you push harder, and I think that's just like embedded in me from soccer, because like we've always just had to like compete, I guess. But I haven't really worked out like that much since I tore my ACL, so it was good. It was like definitely out of my comfort zone, but I feel like things like that really help you and help your day. And yeah, so now I just got home and I am gonna make a little breakfast. Like I ended up stopping and getting like a little smoothie and stuff, but right now I'm just making eggs. I got these 6 fresh heirloom basket eggs. They're like all different colors. At Whole Foods yesterday, my mom and I went to Whole Foods. We got all new vegetables and fruits, all new what am I trying to say? Oh, we got all new groceries. We had tacos last night. It was so good. And yeah, just gonna make a little egg with like a nice healthy food for life English muffin. And yeah, I'm gonna shower and kind of get my day started. Just lit this pumpkin candle. It smells so much like fall. It's so nice. I'm like so excited for fall. Just using this milk. I like this brand for oat milk. I think it's really good. I just make oat milk lattes sometimes. Sometimes I choose not to because coffee makes me like a little bit shaky and the caffeinated side of it. But I've been using these, which are the Super Coffee, the hazelnut brand, and I think that they're a little bit better. They don't have as much caffeine. And then I'm trying to find over here, I had like some mushroom coffee that's really good, but just not using it at the moment. But I like to shake this, and then I will just add it into my coffee, put like a good amount. Use this. This stirs up like the coffee, and it's kind of just like a whisk that froths it. Sometimes I'll pop it in the microwave because it's like not that hot anymore. Just filled up my water for the second time. I'm on like my second one. This is a 48 ounce, so I really like drinking like 2 of these throughout the day. That's like so out of focus. I like to do this sometimes. I'm just like in my comfy clothes and I am making a big to-do list. I feel like sometimes throughout the day when I finish one task, I don't know what else to do next. So I like to just take like loose leaf paper, like just whether like it's plain or not. This is cool. Hi. And I will just like write out like a whole list of things. So like I know I need to do some big girl things, like you know those errands and things that you have to do that you just like don't want to do, but they like are things that you put off at the end of the day and you're like I need to keep doing that, and then you keep writing them down. Like I need to call my dentist. You know, things like that. We're not gonna procrastinate today, we're just gonna do them. So I'm gonna call my dentist. I want to book another solid core workout. So I'm just gonna like list out a ton of the things that I have to do, and then this really just like helps my mind. Super breezy out. It was so much like fall today. So pretty. And I'm by the sun because I love the sun. It's good to get like some vitamin D. I have on my sunscreen and stuff, and then I just have on this like big orange clip. Huge sweatshirt, huge sweatpants. Just very comfy, and then I might get ready for the day later. It's like already 12, but I just thought that I would show you guys like what I am up to right now. I just got to Starbucks. I got a coffee. I also went for a little walk. You guys might not have seen, I didn't bring my camera, but I just got a oat milk latte, no whip, iced with pumpkin in it. First pumpkin latte of the season. It's September 2nd. I got home after I did my journaling and stuff. I put on like the slightest bit of makeup, which was super random for me because I like never do that anymore, I feel like. But I just had some time and I was like, I should just like get ready a little bit. I feel like I never do that anymore. And yeah, I was listening to a podcast. I'm actually starving right now. I feel like I'm like all over the place, but I was listening to a podcast and it's like a holistic one, and it just reminded me of how much I love health and like how much I put into my health, and it's so important. So it kind of motivated me a little bit to, I don't know, just like continue to eat healthy and like really whole foods. And I went for a walk because it talked a lot about, I can link it down below, it's the Skinny Confidential one, but it talked a lot about this woman said how she like does ice plunging and stuff that just like really helps her mind, and she has like a fresh garden, and I just like can't wait till I have my own house and I have my own like things, and like I know I'm gonna have a garden, obviously like everything God willing, and I go on God's time, but I don't know, I just love stuff like that. So I thought I'd share it with you guys if you guys are ever feeling like in a funk. But today's so nice. It's like super nice outside. It feels so much like fall. We're like transitioning into fall. I'm like kind of bittersweet about it. I love fall so much. I just don't love winter. Like at all. But it's okay. I feel like it's good to have a change. The heat was nice, but it does get like really hot sometimes. I definitely prefer like a more fall spring weather. It just is like beautiful today. And yeah, it's September 2nd. It's gonna be a good month. I hope you guys are having a good first couple days of your month, and if you're not, it can get better. And yeah, so I'm going home now, but I'll see you guys later.
People really with this holding this big.
I just got home. I'm going to start cooking a little bit. It's like 3, I think. Or is it 3:22? Just kind of cleaning up a little and going to make a little turkey burger. Here, up for a sec. I'm going to make a turkey burger. I am so sore. I went to Solid Core this morning and I'm like so sore in my arms and my abs are like dead. But I'm just kind of going to clean up a little bit around my house, and then I'm going to start cooking. I just got some ground turkey. I went to the store, and then my mom made lentil soup yesterday, so I'm gonna have some of that. Drink my water. I just had a coffee, so I want to make sure I'm also drinking my water. And then I'm also gonna make some pico de gallo, just a little bit of it. I want to show you guys what I got though at the store. I got these late July chips, the mild green ones. Those are always good. I got one ripe pomegranate. Pomegranate's my favorite fruit, if you didn't know that. I got some fresh tomatoes. Usually my parents' garden has them, but not necessarily in season. And then I got 2 jalapeno peppers in here for my salsa. Got ground turkey and ground chicken. So I think I'm gonna make a turkey burger because I haven't had that much protein and I like to get my protein in. So that is what I'm about to do now. I'm going to light a candle, set the mood kind of. It feels like fall out, so I am just lighting this because I feel like it's gonna make it smell extra good. I also kind of want to open the windows a little bit for some fresh air. How does this open? I don't want bugs to come in, but so I just kind of made my own little patty. I put just like garlic powder, onion powder, basil, fresh basil, onion powder, pepper. This is just simmering. Lentil soup. This is packed with like a ton of proteins, veggies, carrots. Lentils are really good for you, so I'm just gonna have this with the burger. So this is the turkey burger. I just cut some sourdough bread, some fresh bread, and then some lentil soup.